Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 2nd, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, and it's a 3 stars puzzle. Yes, we have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and this Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. We will see. All right. This will be number. I believe 4949. Double 49. Double 49. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. But is this really a 4 stars? That's the question. I do not know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 1, 2, 3 fives. We have here 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So it's divided. So I think a lot of pairs if it's divided. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 7. 3. Yeah. Complicated, but in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3. Oh, no. Yeah. Overlooked. Okay. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, first row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. 9. So 7, 8, 5. Complicated. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 5. Yeah, 5. 2, 5, and a 4. Alright. 5 should be here. 6. Yeah. Oh, overlooked 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4, 4. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in the last column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 7, 5. 4, 7, 5. And look, we have a 7 and 5 in the last column. So no 7 and 5 in this box. The 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 4. Okay, 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this third row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and an 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. And we have a pair, 8 and a 9 in the third column, 8 and a 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 1, 1. Alright, the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 2, 5, 7. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. Okay. 7, 6 and a 5. We have a pair. 7 and a 5 in this row. 7 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Okay. 1 box left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 1 box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row we above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So no row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 8 and the 9. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8 and the 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Then yeah. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair, 7 and a 9 in this row, 7 and a 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Also for the 2 and the 8, I believe. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. I cannot believe this. Is this 40 minutes? Yes, 40 minutes. Although I have less printed digits than the Sudoku before. 40 minutes, so I'm well surprised with the time. Wow. I enjoyed this puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars. Not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Cannot believe this. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.